The wireless wall switch can be combined with any truss receiver. Because the wall switch is battery powered and completely wireless, you can easily place this transmitter anywhere indoors. For example, in the living room, exactly where you want it. The wireless wall switch can be combined with the mini built-in switch that can be installed behind an existing single light switch. This way you instantly create a multi-way switch without the hassle of wiring. Install the sunblind switch if you want to use the wireless wall switch to open and close your electric sunblinds, shutters or screens. Trust Smart Home. Easy to install, endless combinations.